outside, sir, in my relative's house.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Where are you, Kavya? Everyone, please should turn on your camera. Without turning on your camera, you cannot be here. Otherwise, I'll
For
just
2 minutes,
throw
sir.
you out.
Sir,
I'll just throw
just
you
give me
out, guys.
time.
Chalo. What about others? Are they going to join or not? Let's wait for 2 minutes. Let's get started. I have just came up with a couple of problems. Today we are going to start with that.
Sir,
See, in participants you will be getting two options, which is called mute and more. So if you click on more, you can rename, you can edit your name, you can change your name. All right, from there you can just change your name. Okay.
sir, I'm not. No, I'm not able to do.
You can able to do that. Just
Means
please, you can find it out.
Means
Okay.
rise and mute it is there, sir. That's all.
Mute and more option. If you click on more, you can just rename it out. If you're not able to find, you can just do it later. That is not a mandatory, that's not a necessary for us right now. So let's get started
Sir,
now.
no need to use of Zoom app. Directly we can join from Wise app.
Great. Even I to join straight away. Even I to join straight away from that. Great.
Sir, please allow me, sir.
See, I'm just admitting everyone. You just be online.
Sir, I came in.
Very good.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, everyone. See here, I just came up with these questions. Today we'll solve these kind of questions, and probably by today, our next class, we are going to wind up with the polynomials, and next we are going to start geometry part. Okay, all right. So look at this now. Look at the first question. Everyone, please start solving the questions.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma.
Sir,
Yes.
you have to solve and tell the answer.
Yes, please keep posting your answers.
So we have to reply you privately.
Yes.
Sir, actually, we are having test on Sunday, sir.
Okay.
Sir, from where are you going to conduct this test,
Same
sir?
polynomials will I'll conduct test on polynomials. This
Sir,
time
full chapter, sir.
full chapter.
Okay. Sir, from topper or in Wise app?
From topper I'll be conducting.
Okay.
From topper I'll be setting the paper, and we'll conducting the exam. We'll be conducting over there. You just solve this question, make it fast.
Sir, can you show the first question, sir?
1 second, I'm unable to. Yeah, the first question, look at this here. Still people are joining. Make it fast. Tell me the answer. Simply, if f of x given here, f of x value given, we have to find f of 2, which means the value of x is what here 2. So we have to substitute the value of x over here. Substitute in place of x. You will get the answer. Same thing. Solve this question. See, guys.
Sir, what we have to find out, sir?
We have to find f of 2, Kana. We have to find. Still people are joining now. I should, accept their request. I accepted your request. Make it fast. So please ask your friends to join. Okay. Okay. Cool. See here, make it fast. Solve this question. F of 2 is what? Make it fast. F of 2 answer is what? F of 2 answer. Let's see who is going to give the first answer. Make it fast. Done. Last 10 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Tell me the answer of f of 2. Very good, Pranav, you are right. Aditi, right answer. Great. Next question. F of minus 3 is what? F of 0 is what? F of 0 straight away you can give the answer.
0, sir. F of 0 is 0, sir.
F of 0 is 12, not 0. Why? Because we have constant here.
Yeah,
look at here. F 2 into 0, 0. 13 into x, 13 into 0, 0. 17 into x, 0. Plus 12. 12 is constant. So answer is what? 12. F of 0 answer is what? 12. Blindly I can say this answer. Blindly. Without substituting over there, I can say this. So what is f of 2 answer here? F of 2 answer is 10. F of minus 3 answer is what? Make it fast. F of minus 3 answer is what? F of minus 3 answer is what? Aditi right answer, Pranav right answer. So minus 210 is the right answer. I hope you got it, that answer. I hope you understood this session. Sorry, this question. Any doubts?
No, sir, I am not able to understand it.
Which one, Kana? Which one?
This one only. Question number 1.
Question number 1 you did not understand. So let me write here. See here, f of x is given what? F of x is equal to 2x cube minus 13x square plus 17x plus 12 given. So the first question is what? First question is asking us to find f of 2. So in place of x, what I have here? 2. So in place of x, I need to substitute with the 2. So 2 cube minus 13, 2 square plus 17 into 2 plus 12. Are you getting my point? So
Yeah.
if you look at this here, 2 into 2 cube is going to give me 8 minus 13 and 2 square is going to give me 4 plus 17 2s which is going to give me 34 plus 12. Add this 2 8 16 minus 13 4 so much 52 plus 34 plus 12. So if you combine all this, what are you going to get? So 16 plus 12 how much? 28. 28 plus 34 how much? 62. 62 minus 52 how much? 10. 10 is my answer. I hope you understood this now.
Yeah,
Clear?
got it.
Every question is the same, like as every question is the same thing. Getting my point?
Sir, can
Yes.
I solve second one?
See, okay. I hope you understood this. Now let us solve second question. Second
The
question.
first answer is true, sir.
One
First answer
second.
is true.
1 second, please. Verify whether the indicated numbers are zeros of the polynomials corresponding to them in the following cases or not. We have to
First one
verify.
is true.
We have to
First-
verify. Ha, very.
First one is true.
Just a minute. What's your name?
Kavya Singhal.
Kavya Singhal, please. Could you please wait? Let me talk. Or else do you want to teach? Tell me. Tell me. Do you want to teach? I'm asking seriously. Do you want to teach? I mean, do you want to explain?
No, sir.
I'm not scolding da. I'm not scolding Kana. I'm asking you seriously. Do you want to teach this concept?
No, sir.
Do you want to explain? How did you get that answer? You got a wonderful opportunity, Kavya. You can explain that. How did you get that?
I substitute minus 1/3 in
That's
the case
all.
of
That's
x.
what I'm asking. That's what I'm expecting from you. If I ask you like this, then you can give the answer. I'm not asking you, right? I was explaining you. If I ask you the answer to explain, then you can explain. In between, please don't talk. I said multiple times. I'm telling you, in between, you should not talk.
Yes.
If I give a chance, please talk. Please, I request you all. Look at this here. F of x is equal to 3x plus 1, comma x is equal to minus 1/3 given here. So what I supposed to do here? I have to substitute the value of x in the given function. So if I'm getting what? If I'm getting, tell me, I should get what? If I'm getting 0, if I'm getting 0, then x is equal to minus 1/3 is what? A factor of, or if x is equal to minus 1/3 is a 0 of that particular polynomial. Are you getting my point? Aditya Ayushman, now he is sending me the request. See guys, I'm just opening the Wise app and just waiting for your request. So you guys are now joining, and please be prior, guys. Whenever you are, like, I sent you the link yesterday, right? You should have joined yesterday itself. Now before the class you are joining. After the class started, you guys are sending the request. Please don't do that. Please, whatever we are doing, that please be prior. Okay.
So I didn't get how you got the answer for this first one.
For first one,
Yes, sir.
see, I'm just substituting the value of 2 in the given function, da. So what I'm getting here, minus 10. Didn't you understand the first question?
Not this one, sir. The second question, first one.
Okay, second question, first one. Look at this here. F of x is equal to what given? 3x
1 by
plus
3.
1 given. So x is equal to minus 1 by 3 has been given. X is
Okay.
equal to minus 1 by 3 is what? Root or 0 of this polynomial. Which is, what is the meaning of that? X is equal to minus 1 by 3 is a root or 0 of a particular polynomial. What is the meaning of that? Whether x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is a solution of that given polynomial or not. That's what you have to check upon. If yes, we're supposed to write true. If not, we're supposed to write false. So how could we check that? Let us check now. So if in place of x, I supposed to write with what? Look at this here. Here, let me write here. F of x value, how much given? Minus 1 by 3 is equal to 3 into x value is what here? Minus 1 by 3 plus 1. So I supposed to cancel this x. So 3 here. What I remain with? What I will be remain with? Minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1, I'm getting 0. If I'm getting 0, what is the answer? What I supposed to conclude? If I'm getting 0,
True.
then I can say that x is equal to 1 by 3 is a factor, is a 0 of that particular polynomial. So my answer is what? True. That is a true statement. This kind of sums we have solved in previous sessions as well. I do not want to waste much time on this kind of sums. Pretty easy sum. And the
Sir,
reason
I have a doubt
Please.
in this.
please 1 second.
Okay.
I told you, right? Should not interrupt when I'm talking. Please, I request you children, please don't interrupt when I'm talking. Either you listen or you talk. Are you getting my point? Either you listen or you just talk. I'll listen for a while. Whatever you want to ask, you can ask. I'll give the time, please. Please don't interrupt. I said, don't interrupt. If you are interrupting, I won't feel bad if you interrupt in between. If you are 1 or 2 members, that's fine. We have 25 members in the session. See, if you each other talking, when I'm talking to you guys, if you are interrupting in between, what will happen is others will get disturbed. So please don't interrupt. If I give a time, then you should talk. You can ask your doubts. Clear? I hope you understood. So look at this here. I got 0. When I substitute the value of x in the given polynomial, I got 0. So that is the case. I can say that x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is a solution of that given polynomial. So I can say that now x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is a solution of f of x is equal to 3x plus 1. Are you getting my point? So the answer is what now? True. Why? Because I got 0. 0 means that particular polynomial has root. Which root? X is equal to minus 1 by 3. X is equal to minus 1 by 3 is the root of that polynomial. That is the answer. I hope you understood. And guys, this kind of questions, multiple questions, like 7 to 8 questions we have solved in a previous session as well. Again, the reason behind giving this kind of question again is to practice more questions, so that you can be able to understand clearly. That is the main reason behind giving this question again. Are you getting my point? So first question we have done. Is there any doubt now? You can ask. Any doubt? You can ask, please. You can talk now.
Yeah, means I'm having in fifth some doubts, sir.
Please, which fifth sum? I'm asking till so far whatever we have gone through. Is there any doubt or not? No, right? So we'll go for the next question.
I have a doubt, sir.
Where?
Sir, in the first question, sir.
Tell me.
Once, can you explain second bit, sir? First question, second bit.
Sure. This one, f of 3 is equal to minus 210.
Yes, sir.
Substitute as simple as that. Look at this here. Let me write f of minus 3 is equal to 2 into minus 3 whole cube, 13 into minus 3 whole square, plus 17 into, please everyone try to listen this question, plus 12. So what I'm going to get here? 2 into minus 3 whole cube, which is going to get, I'm going to get minus 27, minus 13, minus 3 whole square, which is going to give me plus 9, minus to the power of even number, which is going to give me what? Positive. So minus, plus into minus, minus 17 3 is 51 plus 12. So calculate this. 2 into 27, which is going to give me 54, minus 54. 39 is how much? 91, minus 51 plus 12. Add all this, you will get 210 minus 210. Are you getting my point? Understood now?
1 second, sir. Yes, sir, I understood.
Very good. I hope you understood this. So it became khichdi. It became khichdi here. Look at this. We have written very Small letters. 1 second. Good. So I hope you understood this, ma. Shall we go for the next question? Good. See here.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Look at this now. I hope you understood the first question. First answer is what now? True. The first answer is true. Please. This is my true statement. What is the second answer?
Sir, second true.
True, sir.
Please post your answers. Second answer is what?
True, sir.
So second answer also true, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So x is equal to 1 and minus 1. So what is the meaning of that? If you have to substitute one time for x is equal to 1 and another time you have to substitute x is equal to 1. So first time if I'm substituting with x is equal to 1, what I'm going to get? What I'm going to get here?
0. 0, sir.
1 minus
1
1.
square minus 1.
1
So
minus
0.
1.
If I substitute with minus 1 whole square, so again
to
1
0.
minus 1, 0. So my statement is true. Second answer is true, guys. And third answer is what?
So we should
False.
say you or message you.
Yeah, I'll see the message. Third answer is what?
False, sir.
False. Third answer is false. Very good. Fourth answer is
Sir,
what?
can you explain again how do
Sir,
you
can you
solve
explain
questions
third
when
one?
Sorry.
Sir, can you explain third one?
Sure. Third one, look at this here. How I got false. I'm explaining one by one. Once I explain that, I do not have much space here. So that is the reason I'm explaining here. I'm erasing that. So third one is what here? F of x is equal to what given? X square minus 1. Oh, sorry. Third one, right?
3x square minus 2.
1 second, 1 second. G of x is equal to 3x square minus 2 when x is equal to 2 by root 3 comma minus 2 by root 3. So what I supposed to do now? So g of x, first I'll be substituting 2 by root 3 in the given equation. So what will I be getting? So 3 into 2 by root 3 whole square minus 2. What is the what will I get here? So 2 square, which is going to give me 4, square root of whole square. 1 second, sorry, it's calling me. Hello. Hello, sir. Children, are you getting my point now? Are you getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Look at this here. G of x, 4 by 3 I got minus 2. So 3 will get cancelled. 4 minus 2 is going to give me what? 2. So 2 by root 3 is not a solution or 0 of that particular thing. Okay. Next, if I substitute g of minus root 3, what will I get? See here,
So
if
the
I
same thing.
g of minus 2
Sir,
by
same
root 3.
thing.
So 3 by minus 2 by root 3 whole square minus 2. So 3 into 4 by 3 minus 2. Again, I'm going to get 2 only. So I can say that now x is equal to 2 by 3. So 2 by root 3 comma minus 2 by root 3 are not solutions, are not 0 of the particular
No,
given
but,
polynomial.
sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes.
But it isn't 2 by 3, 2 by root 3 whole square, right? Here you are given 2 by
Which
root 3
one?
whole. This, sir. This one, sir.
Where?
3 into 2 by root 3 whole square.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, sir. I didn't see x square. Sorry.
You have to see that. You must see. Okay. See now, fourth question. Look at the fourth question. Look at the fourth question. Make it fast.
So true.
1 second. Let me accept your friends. True. Fourth question is true. Same. Every question you have to solve. See, I'm not gonna solve. See here, 5th, 6th, 7, 8. These 4 questions I'm going to give homework. Take this as a homework. Make it fast. Everyone, please.
I'm having a doubt. This.
So we should note down there.
I'm having a doubt.
Sorry.
I'm having a doubt, sir. 51.
Which one? Fifth one.
Yes.
Okay. Let us solve fifth one here.
So we can take pi value as 22 by 7.
Exactly.
Okay, means it is understood. Means
The
normally,
pi value you can take 22 by 7. Very good.
means
And
normally
solve.
first chapter pi we should not take. Means it is irrational, no, sir. So I
Yeah,
got that.
you just now you take pi value as 22 by 7 and substitute over there and check it out.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Tell me.
So how should we submit you the notes,
Sir,
like the homework?
See, I'll be asking the question. I'll be asking the for answers in tomorrow's session. You can give me that. Not an issue. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, I was asking the doubt that while I was practicing, I in the test, the mock test is there, right? So I made a mistake. So, sir, what is the zero of the 0.9 value?
Oh, you asked her that question, right? You are you were asking that question, right?
Yes, sir. Zero